North Wall crack is widening. The tremors are rising yet. They have not reached the peak yet. And the volcano has yet to work out and accommodate all this lava. But what we are seeing now, north part of the Fagradalsfjall area is full of new volcanoes. These are independent volcanoes which are actually erupting on their own. Beside that, the north side of the volcano has now is independent from the volcano itself. There's a huge crack formed there, and this crack on both sides of it is actually erupting. I have a Green Iceland video here which shows that what's going on. And as you can see, on two sides of it, there are cracks. This eventually, as you know, this is all in the fissure line of the volcano. This will eventually lead to the collapse probably of the north wall, and a new cone will form there, and we will have a main Nar becomes actually practically a double crater volcano in that part. But the rest of the area is full of other volcanoes, tiny volcanoes at the moment. They will grow bigger.